polluted. The acrobatics, birds, holders, feeders us with admiration. They are also the garden's friend, as they eat lots of insects, pests. Well, and that is the polluted. Wee, cool. And what was it? Blackbird. The male, shiny black and yellow, I think, beak. His melodious song signifies that winter is over. At dusk or something, dust, I think. And there he is there. Clever depicted illustration. Sorry about the confusion. Somebody's brain is going. It's if you hear noise in the attic, it's likely to be the Starlings. Wow. Have been mimic sounds from their surroundings. Cool. And you've seen that one is often seen dust bathing at the side of a road. The sparrows will eat crumbs and seeds from bird table or feeder. And that is a house sparrow, that one. Cool. So you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Cool.